welcome to my channel with the top things you should always do on a Royal Caribbean ship in terms of attractions. We'll get to that in just a minute, but first I must ask you, if you like this video, if you find it at all interesting or helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. So the first stop is what you see pictured here, the North Star, which is available on the Quantum class ships, no extra charge. There is one if you decide that you want to have extra time on the North Star. What you're about to see is a picture of me and my mother actually from inside the North Star. This was a huge hit for us. You can see fantastic views of the entire ship. And if you decide that you want to do this on a port day like we did, you can actually see the entire port from there. So the free ride is about 20 minutes in length, and then the ride that they charge you for is actually about 30 minutes in length. So you want to check that out. Next is the bumper cars. These are available for free on all Quantum class ships, and these are by far one of the most popular attractions I've seen. They're made for kids and adults. If you decide that you want to do this, then you need to get there at least 15-20 minutes early. The line was almost out the door when I tried it. So the next attraction that you want to try is the mini golf. My family christens every ship by playing a round of mini golf, which is free on every single ship, whether you're Voyager, Radiance class, Vision class. You definitely want to give this a try. So the next stop is the 70s Disco Party. So the 70s Disco Party is by far one of the most popular parties on the entire ship. This is a free event, and it's actually one of Royal Caribbean's signature events. It's so much fun. You'll have a blast from the past. Everybody dresses up. It is fantastic. The next thing that you want to try, which I was terrified of, is the water slides. What you see pictured here is actually the water slides from the AdventureOfTheSeas class Perfect Storm. However, these are available on all ships, pretty much Voyager class and above. I highly recommend that you do these on port days, as sometimes the lines can get a little bit long, but they're absolutely free. You can ride them as many times as you want. There are also a few other attractions that even I haven't tried yet, and one of them is the carousel ride that's available on the Oasis class ships, which I'm super anxious to try. Sophie, my mother, and my father, we're all going to try that in a couple weeks. We'll let you know how that goes with us. There's also the skydive option on the Quantum class ships. That is absolutely free, just like the North Star. And from what I heard, it's free. I've never tried it. And then the next thing, which I'm actually anxious to see, and I haven't really heard too much about, is the Ultimate Abyss. Now, these are tri-slides that you can try for absolutely free. And they're actually twin slides that start on the top passenger deck and go down about 10 decks below that. And they are just, I hear that they're really, really cool. They're made for all ages. And from what I heard, they give you a little bit of a rug, if you will, to get inside the slides, and you use that to slide down. They are the largest dry slides at sea, so I'm super anxious to see them. There's also the ice shows, which I have seen on the Voyager class ships, and these, I will tell you that you will need to get there about 45 minutes early, because these these seats do fill up, and you're going to get to see all kinds of world-class, Olympic-class skaters on there. It's really, really cool. Finally, you want to make sure that you check out the shows. I hear the Aqua Theater is absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to see it. The other class shows are the shows in the Royal Theater. These I've seen several of, and my favorites are the ones that feature the Broadway style shows. I know on Oasis in a few weeks we're going to see Cats, which I've seen anyway, so I'm kind of anxious to see how this production differs from the Broadway production. There's also, I heard there's Mamma Mia on Allure. There's also ships that feature Grease. There's ships that feature all kinds of different shows. The one that I saw in April was We Will Rock You, which was fantastic. And that's about all the tips that I have for things that you should consider trying when you're on a Royal Caribbean ship. Again, if you like this video, if you find it at all useful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We really, really appreciate it, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!